नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका दिल्ली IAS में। दोस्तों, ये मेरा तैयारी का है डे 56 एंड टोटल डेज आर रिमेनिंग फॉर माय टारगेट आर 313. Okay, so today I will show you what is my today's schedule to achieve my this goal. But before that, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe it. Okay, so let us see what is my today's schedule to achieve this target. As you can see, today is 18th of July, but before today's schedule, let us see how much I have achieved from my yesterday's schedule. Friends, I am very happy to announce that yesterday I achieved nearly 80% of my schedule and 80% of my target. And yesterday's my main agenda was sociology unit 7, half of sociology unit 7, and I completed it during those study hours. And but yes, and though I faced difficulty, actually some guest came to our home, and that guest was very dear, and he came very rare, once in 5 year or 6 year. So that was important to attend him. Also, I attend only for you can say 1 hour, but it affects my study. Okay, so yesterday I did these things, but during this hour 9 to 10 I didn't did this thing. And yes, and I did technique learning, and I did long-term schedule planning. Though I have planned, but I have only planned half. So today I planned rest of the schedule. So it was very nice target achievement yesterday. So let us see how much I will achieve today. So but before this, let us see what is my today's target. As you can see, today is 18th of July, and from 9 to 10 I will do technique learning. Okay, and from 10 to 11 I will do long-term schedule planning. Okay, long-term schedule planning. And from 11 to 12 I have these 4 study block: 11 to 12, 1 to 2, 3 to 4, and 6 to 8. Okay, so during this 4 study block I will do rest of the sociology unit 7, politics and society. Okay, so this is my main agenda. And from 9 to 10 I will do that's revision of sociology unit 7, but complete unit 7. And from 10 to 11 I will do self analysis, COB and marginal gain. So this is my today's schedule. Let us see how much I will achieve. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe the channel. Bye.